Alright, so today I want to show you something really basic in Excel, a few basic things. So if you go like this, we just put 1 and 2 in there. See that bottom corner there? You can just drag that down. Let's say we go down to 12. Now, this would be great if you wanted to set up something like a times table chart for some kids. So I've just copied that, Control C, right click on that, and then there's this little paste in there which transposes it. Now we can go like this, so equals, to start a formula, this times that, which is fantastic. Just double click on that square there, and oh no, something's not right. Let's have a look. Let's just bold this up so that we can distinguish it. So E7 times E8, E8 times D9. So if you press F2, it shows you. Okay, so that seems to be just moving down as we're going through. What happens if we move one to the right? So Control R will copy it to the right. Okay, let's have a look and see what's going on. So it's doing one up, one down. How do we fix that? It's actually pretty straightforward, and what we do is we put a $sign in the formula, and the rule of thumb is that whatever you put a dollar on is locked, and that's called absolute referencing. So in this case, it's the blue. We want to lock it on row 7, and in the red, we want to lock it on column D. Okay, so let's try that now. Alright, and let's have a look. So you can see now, see how that's going down to D11, D12. Press F2, that's doing the right thing. Now if we copy that to the right, what do we get? They look correct. So F7 times D13. Now we can just go all the way across. Little trick, Control right, go down, Control Shift left, and then go down from there. And we're just going to press Control right. There you go. You've got your times tables chart. So your challenge is to see if you can do that, and rather than putting in times, putting in a plus. See how that goes for you.